Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Zoom on your Mac operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Zoom, and the first link which will appear here will be from zoom.us. I'm going to click on this link, and then when I scroll at the very bottom, I will be able to see the Zoom desktop client under download. So I'm going to click on this option which says Zoom Desktop Client, which is going to redirect me to the downloads page. You can also come to a zoom.us/download page to come to this page. So once you see a Zoom Desktop Client here, you can see the download button. Also, you will be able to see this message here which says, or for Mac with Silicon chip, click here. So if you are using Mac OS with Intel chip, you can click on the download button here. If you have the Mac with silicon chips like M1 or M2, you can click on this link here. Okay. So I'm having the M2 chip on my Mac operating system. So I will click on this link, which is going to download this .pkg file for Zoom installer. Once this PKG file is downloaded, I'm going to click on this file and let me minimize the browser. And the first window here in the installation of Zoom is the introduction. So if you want, you can read about this and then click on next. And then you have this installation type. Here it says this will take 267 megabyte space on your computer. I'm okay with it. I'm going to click on next here. And now it's going to ask me for my MacBook's password, which I use to log into my Mac operating system. I will provide that password and then click on install software, which is going to start the installation of Zoom. In few seconds, you will be able to see that the Zoom is installed on my Mac operating system, and it says the installation was successful. And I can also see this kind of notification which is sent by Zoom. So I'm going to just close this and close this, and you can see it says the installation was successful, and it also says automatically keep Zoom desktop client up to date. I'm going to leave it as checked, which is going to always keep my Zoom client up to date, and then click on done here. Now you can see Zoom is already started after the installation. I can close this Zoom application, and let me just close this installer window first of all. So let me close this and then click on move to bin, because I don't need this installer anymore. So I'm going to click on move to bin, and now I can go to the launchpad and I can see this zoom.us icon here. So I'm going to click on Zoom, which is going to show me this kind of window. Now, if you have the Zoom meeting link or code, then you can click on join a meeting. So I'm going to click on join a meeting, where so you can join the meeting with the meeting ID or the personal link name. So whenever somebody creates a Zoom meeting, he will provide you the meeting ID or the personal link name. You just need to provide that link name here and you will be able to join that meeting. If you just want to log into your Zoom account, then you can click on sign in. And here you also have the option to sign in with your Google account or Apple account or Facebook account. Also, if you don't have any account, then click on sign up. I'm going to log in with my Google account. So when I log in with my Google account or Facebook account, or if I sign up with the Zoom for the first time, it's going to ask me for my birth here. I'm going to provide that birth here. And then you will see this kind of window which says welcome to Zoom, and your email ID will be listed here. So I'm going to just click on create account, which is going to create my account and log me into my Zoom account. Now once I click on create account, it says do you want to allow this page to open zoom.us. I'm going to click on allow, which is going to allow the sign in via this page. And also I can see we are updating our terms and condition. We can just click on continue and then click on OK. So now this Zoom app is launched and I'm logged into my Zoom account with my Gmail account. You can use, as I said, any other type of sign up, like you can provide your username and password. You can use your Apple ID, or you can use your Facebook ID. Now when you open Zoom for the first time, it's going to look like this. From here you can join the Zoom meetings, you can create a new Zoom meeting, or you can share your screen or schedule a Zoom meeting. You will also see in the Zoom mail section your Zoom mails. You can also see the calendar and the team chat here if you have multiple members in your team. So this is how you can download and install Zoom on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.